Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before changing your Apple Wallet country, prepare your Apple ID and accounts. Check subscriptions carefully. Cancel or transfer subscriptions that tie to your current country. Remove Apple Cash balance and any cards or transit passes from wallet. Be sure to spend any store credit under 5,000 before proceeding. Sign out of any family sharing that blocks region changes. Gather a valid payment method and billing address for the new country. Keep your device charged and connected to Wi-Fi for an open settings and tap your name to access the Apple ID account settings. Tap Media and Purchases to view account options. Select country/region and then choose New Country to begin the change. Read the on-screen terms and conditions carefully before accepting. Enter a valid payment method and billing address for the new country when prompted. Confirm your choice and wait for the account to update. Restart your device after the change to ensure all settings refresh correctly. After changing your Apple ID country, open Wallet to update payment cards and passes. Re-add any credit or debit cards that work in the new country. Set up Apple Cash or local wallet features only if they are available in that region. Reinstall apps purchased in your previous country if needed, using the new account region. Check subscriptions and update billing addresses inside each app. If a card is declined, contact your bank to allow international or regional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.